In this tutorial, we will start from the most simple option. Of course, we will use NanoBanana Pro, we will use our basic presets you have here, and we will try to dive deeper, and until we will receive more and more interesting results. So let's start. As always, I'm selecting my left side of the project. I'm clicking simply load, right click of the mouse, load, and I'm selecting this maker image. You will also receive this folder as well with the project and with the reference images. So, I'm ready, I have the source image, and I'm ready to start. So the first of all, we'll select correct engine. So I'm selecting my source, I'm selecting image editor here with the left mouse click, I'm selecting engine. We will show everything on NanoBanana Pro because it's the best results at this time, at this moment. So it's almost mid of the January, and resolution 2K, aspect ratio, we will select original, of course, and let's change day to night. It's our basic prompt. So change day to night, add LED strips, turn artificial lights on, make a cozy vibe. Okay, that's okay. So simply let's wait. I'll also remove change day to night and all those details. So just see how it can reimagine this image. After that, we can think what can we do in the next steps. So it will be our first two tests, day to night option here, typical day to night preset. And let's try to use my own prompt. I thought maybe we can think like how AI see the photorealistic image made by professional photographer on a Canon 120mm. So hoped it will little bit change the perspective. So simply selecting my source, prompting my prompt. In this type it will be relight the image to make it more realistic. Okay, relight the image. Maybe it's not the full description. Let's check it again. Yeah, it's okay, but I think I forgot to prompt that it should be a night, but let's try. So relight the image. I'll give it a freedom, yeah, let's leave it relight, and let's see how it will go. And again, I'm pasting the same prompt here, but make relight the image to the night. To the night mood. Make it photorealistic. Okay, make, and let's compare the results. So the first one, change day to night, really looks good. Really looks good. Let's compare A to compare B, and select enlarge button here to make it big. So yeah, as always, everything's perfect. All edges are in the same place. We have correct relight. And what do we have here? Like, I have no doubts, it's perfect. It put it only a small lights here, so to give us some extra light information. So it works very good. I have no no attentions. We have beautiful stars. We have now clouds, light clouds here on the horizon. So yeah, that's amazing result. Here we have more cozy vibe, and we can compare it now with our first image. It's more clear for me. The second one is really more cozy, but it's not so clear. So I will compare them. Yeah, as you see, our additional prompt about adding LED and cozy gives us those small bubbles of light and gave us a lot of LED. So it's like quite standard when we talk about cozy. That means about those small point lights, and LED, of course, it's obvious it's giving a white light or yellow light options, warm light, of course. So yeah, that's the basic options we have when we use a preset and a little bit change it. Now we will see our more advanced option. So here we have my own prompt, relight the image, make it photorealistic. The photo was made by a professional photographer on a Canon. It's good, it's good. Let's compare the perspective, compare A to compare B, as always. And yeah, that's very good. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And let's see what about night, when I'm adding information that it will be a night. And I want a photorealistic result. So let's compare A to compare B. Now it's more dark, it's more natural for me. And yeah, it's also good. It's also good. Let's jump in and dive deeper. So what do we have now? We can now play and ask AI to turn off or turn on some information. So we'll try to transform this scene tonight. So simply I'm selecting source. I am pasting my prompt. Transform the scene from daytime to nighttime, completely turn off all interior artificial lights only on the first floor. Okay, and see how it will go. It's not so easy for AI because we are understanding that it's first floor, second floor, but for AI, you know, it's not so easy. We can also play around and try to make on a second. Yeah, and it will be part of our tests. So obviously we need to select the engine, source image editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K original, changed prompt, hit make, and let's wait a while. And while we are waiting, let's select another idea. What were we doing? I was testing to make a complete dark. Yeah, what can we do to make it like completely night option? So let's jump in to our source image and let's play with those prompts. So I'm selecting the prompt, I'm pasting it, change day to night, turn off all artificial lights, use only moonlight. Okay, and now we can add, make a very cloudy sky. Cloudy sky. Moonlight is volumetric. I'm quite interested how can it look like. I hope to see some cinematic results. We can also play around and make and use my last preset here. It will be more about details, that the night mood is very dark, the forest around. Like I'm giving more information to the AI and let's use it. So I'm selecting my source image. I'm pasting my last prompt. Simply Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, as always, as all tutorials you already watched. And now we use change day to night, turn off all artificial lights, cloudy sky, little blue colors from a night cloudy sky. So I want to make it, you know, more bluey and more interesting, not so cold, but not so natural. And the light mood is very dark. So let's just check. Yeah, I'm just hitting make and let's see how it will go. So prompts are quite similar. I'll put them together in one section here because we are trying now to make from this image completely night image without any extra light, only nature light. This is quite good. Like I'm happy with this result, and we can compare A and compare B. Yeah, very good. I'm really satisfied with the results. Very good result. Very, very good results. So in a few seconds, we know information in what direction we want to go. And that's exactly what we're looking for. And this will be the main part of our basic prompting for day to night option. We can also think about particle lights. So I'll use this prompt without any additional information. And it will be the last part for this tutorial. So simply I'm selecting my source image with the left mouse. I'm simply using Ctrl+V to paste my prompt, and it will be the next information. So change day to night, turn on artificial light inside the building, use only moonlight. Okay, sorry, that's the wrong prompt. So again, I'm selecting this one. Sorry, yeah, all is correct. Sorry, jump in. Source, let's check the prompt. Change day to night. Okay, turn off all artificial lights inside the building. Okay, use only moonlight. I'll remove it. Use moonlight. Okay, because not only, we will use other light as well. Add warm light in front of the house to make the beautiful light effect on elevation. Okay, and hit make. And the last but not least, I was also testing to add few lights, yeah? Like add a warm 4 light spots in front, sorry, small. Also make sure that you use your favorite language, because I'm using English obviously to make it more comfortable for everybody, but generally you can prompt any language you wish. It's like definitely not a big problem. I personally type in 4 languages, so like really any language will be okay, and simply hit make. And let's wait a second for the results. And while we are waiting, let's see the darkest option. We asked AI to make it dark. Very dark, and let's compare it to typical night option and to night option when we asked it to make it really dark, and the difference is huge. The difference is really huge, that we are receiving exactly what we want. Yeah, like truly cloudy sky, truly forest mood at the night. I truly believe that it's real, like really, it's very good. And let's jump in here and see how it's going. Yeah, that's perfect. That's very, very good results. As well, compare the result A to B. Button enlarge, and let's see the results. Very good. No lights inside, everything as we wanted. We have only one mistake from AI, that we have 2 lights. I prompted only light, but it's okay. Like for me, it's okay. I don't see any problem. So what do we have? We have a warm light from the left side is giving a cool natural light here. It's even creating a look at the interior. We have inside warm cozy vibe now inside, and we have new shadows inside of our interior, and the same we have on this side of the image. So generally the result is crazy for me, and yeah, hope you like it, hope you will try it. And this is the last result when we ask to put 4 lights. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a little bit more than 4, but it's good. It's good enough, and I'm very happy to show you this. Hope you will test it and hope you will like it. In next tutorial, we will discuss how to work with night light more precisely, and see you in the next tutorial.